Hello guys, and welcome to mattsbeamer. Today I'm going to be showing you how to lubricate the doors, the bonnet and the boot on your BMW F20 F21 1 Series. Okay, but before that, here are some products. This is the one you're most likely to see all over the world, which is WD-40. Though it's a very good product, it's not a lubricant. So if you spray it onto your hinges and that, it's okay for a temporary use, but soon if any water hits it, it washes away and the squeaking comes back. So if you do get WD-40, make sure it's the lubricant version. This the other day was quite good on my friend's Hyundai Getz. It's basically just a little pot of oil, which you can use in sewing machines and that, but it's quite tricky to apply if you're not careful. This is one of the better ones. This is silicone spray, which I used and it was perfect in the past. But this one here is the one I'm going to use today, which is a synthetic lubricant. But if I could, I would personally use white lithium grease. But to be honest, I can't find it anywhere where I live. First of all, let's start with the boot, because I guess it's going to rain super hard soon and maybe we will even have thunderstorms. This is the way that I lubricate things, so it's up to you if you decide to copy my technique. When lubricating the hatch, you need to use a good lubricant up on the hinge, just here. I will also include a photo. Wherever I colour the photo in red, that is where you should lubricate. Make sure that you wipe up any overspray so it doesn't attract any dirt and make it look messy. When it comes to the hatch and bonnet struts, I should make a special video on them, and I shall also show you how to replace them. When it comes to the hatch latch, or the boot latch, it is best to spray silicone spray onto a cloth or paper towel, then rub it into the latch. Do not spray directly into the latch, as there are micro switches inside. While you're at it, give the striker plate a quick cleaning too with a cloth. Whatever you lubricate, you need to lubricate the lubricant into the area by moving the door, the bonnet, or the hatch up and down a few times until it feels smoother and until it sounds a lot quieter. So let's have a look at the back door. Here is where you need to lubricate. So at the top you see a hinge. You need to spray some of that stuff just up here, in between here, and just there, up in there. And then moving on down, you have the check strap. That there needs lubricating. It might need cleaning too, actually. And down at the bottom, we have another hinge, basically the same as the top. Up the top there, in between there, and up there. Okay? I'm just going to do that now. So as you can see, I lubricated all three components. I also gave that a bit of a clean just there. So what I'm going to do now is wipe off the excess on the door. Okay. If you struggled reaching the hinges from the back, you can also reach the hinges from the front seat when the door is closed. So basically just aim here, here and here, and at the bottom one, because you can't get to the check strap, just aim here, here and here, under there, see? When it comes to the front door, you do exactly the same as the back one. Here, here and here. The check strap just there. Remember to clean it up. And also down here, you do that one there, just in between there and up there. When it comes to the latches and that, I wouldn't spray directly into the actual latch itself, spray onto a cloth like I did the boot, and just basically rub it in to clean out all the debris. And obviously you can clean up this too, just wipe it over and voila. Sorry about the lighting in this video. There was a big massive storm that came along and basically made the sky all dark, and yeah. So I'm relying on my iPhone now to hopefully point you in the right direction. When you come to the bonnet, you need to lubricate the areas I point to. I'll also include photos with red markings on too. For these, what I'm going to use is actually some of the oil instead, and I'm going to aim it basically wherever it moves. So let's move it. Okay, so I'm going to aim it there, down in there. I'm going to aim it that side where the spring is. I'm going to aim it just in there, and basically anywhere in this section which moves. And I'm going to try, if I can, to get it in there, but I don't think it's that important. When it comes to these up here, what I'm going to do is just wipe them down, add a little bit of like silicone grease or something, and voila, it should all be good and perfect. This side of the bonnet is exactly the same side as over there, but on this side you have the wiring as well, so don't get anything in the wiring. You shouldn't do anyway, but there you go. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was of some help for you or some use. Apologies for it being a bit skew with. We had a big massive storm here in Moscow, and well, yeah. Anyway, have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.